Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and tonight I am going to show you how to stake Jade Protocol token. Okay, and this is a BSC type token, and I just want to stake. It's not much. It's probably a little over. It's a few bucks, not much. And I just want to stake it because just want to try it out. And I hear good things about it. Of course, the biggest thing you're going to see right off the bat is the APY. It's a ridiculous amount. It's like 4.8 billion APY, which is insane. And yeah, I just want to try it out. I have several tokens that I like to stake in different blockchains. So I'm going to try Jade Protocol. Okay, I do have some Jade token on my wallet from the last video that I swapped some on PancakeSwap. So now we're going to stake it. So before you do that, you got to connect your wallet to Jade Protocol. Now, at the time of this recording, Jade Protocol token is about $481.19. Okay. That is the how much the token is worth. So we're not even gonna get. I think it's gonna be about a fifth of a token. So we're gonna connect wallet. Okay, we're gonna do the MetaMask. Okay, because I need to connect this. I'm gonna click on next. I'm gonna connect the account to Jade Protocol. Okay, it's gonna connect. And now we want to stake our Jade token. And there it is. That's the amount of Jade that we want to stake. Okay. So you're going to have to do two. First, you're going to approve it. They're going to charge you a small gas fee. Then you're going to stake it. That's going to be the other gas fee. Then it'll move over to the stake balance. Okay. So again, we're going to approve. Okay, and that is the fee, 13 cents. You're going to confirm, and it's going to be pending, and we're going to wait on that. It shouldn't take that long. Well, a few minutes. Okay, there it is. So now we approved it, but it's not staked yet. Remember, your balance is still here. Okay. And you want to move it over to the stake balance. So now we're gonna stake it, right? So max, we want to stake the whole amount of Jade. We want to stake it, and it's gonna turn into S Jade. Okay, staking. So we're gonna stake Jade, the maximum amount of Jade that we have. Again, it's gonna be another fee, and we're gonna confirm. Okay, and this should take a few minutes, maybe less than a minute, a few seconds. Okay, remember we have to approve, and then we have to stake, and there it is. Okay, your stake balance, 0.1504 S Jade. Remember, your Jade turns to S Jade, so it's about $72 worth of Jade. Your next reward amount will be about $1. Next reward yield is 1.6% basically. Your return on investment for every 5 days, 27.44%, which is ridiculous. So it says here approximately I'll be earning about $3 a day, which is, for a $72 investment, that's pretty good. Okay, I just want to try out this investment. And of course, it says right here, 47 minutes to your next rebase. That is when your next payment. And I will be checking on this every so often, and I will see that Jade amount, it will be going up. Because I don't plan to take it out. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to let it stake. Let it just earn. Let it earn, especially a ridiculous APY like this. I'm just going to let it earn. I'll be adding more money in there. I just wanted to make this video so I can show you how to stake this particular token, which I think is incredible that you could even see an APY like this. And they even have a calculator right here. Let's see. Let's check out the calculator. So the calculator says here that let's see how much. This is how much I have. This is my current reward. This is the current price. If anything doesn't change, this is what I'll be earning in 30 days. 30 days. Where's the? And 30 days will be here. Oh no, excuse me. 30 days. If I go up to like 90 days, let's try to put 90 days. Get close to it. Anyway, let's put 94 days. So according to them, in 94 days, I should have about let's see, 94.51 Jade, which is insane. The potential value will be 4. Oh my God. So let's say in about a year. Yeah, a year, right? So if the APY stays the same and the rate stays the same, if nothing ever changes, I'll have about $138 billion. Oh, I had to laugh. I'm sorry. This is funny. But anyway, this is just ridiculous. But anyway, I mean, I don't expect it to. The APY, I don't expect the APY to stay there. Okay? I don't expect it to be there. As more users come in, it's going to drop dramatically. And also, this is a risky type investment. Like I said, I only have $72 in there, so it's not a big deal. It's not money money I need. I mean, if it goes belly up, whatever. Now, of course, once I earn $72, I plan to take out my initial investment, and then I'll just leave the whatever amount that's already in there, and I'll let it ride. I'll let it ride and see what happens. So anyway, I just thought it was kind of just wanted to try this out. So anyway, I got a good chuckle out of that. So anyway, I'm gonna go now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell me what other videos you want to see. I just this stuff is I'm like I said, I'm new to crypto. I've been doing it for a few months now, and I enjoy making videos like this for you guys. You guys, especially us New Yorkers, we have to go through hoops and hurdles to get into these type of tokens. Okay. So I'll see you soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Support my channel. I really enjoy making these videos. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.